Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today again we are going our field, and you can see our village street, and she is my sister. So now we are going. Hi Deepak, say hi. Hi boy. So guys, now I will show you our village school. You can see this is our village primary school, and my village, and this side you can see the beauty of my village. So guys, now I am going our field alone because my sister is waiting for my elder sister's son, because he is bringing fertilizer on a bicycle. That's why. So I'm going alone, and I'm near to our field but little far. You can see these are not our farm, it's others farm, and they have planted paddy seedling here, and we are also doing the same work. It's been 4 days have reached our farm, and you can see they are uprooting the seedling. So finally now my sister also came farm with fertilizer, and my elder sister's sons. You can see Chotu, say hi guys. Say. So here in this field also we will plant paddy seedling. So that's why I'm going to remove unwanted plant, and my sister already started, and you can see my sister is removing unwanted plant, and I will also do this. And why we are removing unwanted plant? Because after sometimes my father will start plowing here. So guys, me and my sister, we are uprooting unwanted plant here, and they are going for transplanting paddy in that field. They have uprooted, and some are uprooting now. So here we are removing all the weeds. You can see a lot of weeds are there, and some laborers are taking their paddy seedling and throwing in some field where they are transplanting the paddy seedling. And after removing these weeds, and after cleaning the edge of the field, my father will start plowing, and we are preparing this field to plant paddy seedling. So that's why we are quickly finishing all the work in this field to plant the paddy. And here you can see I'm cleaning the edge of the field, and actually we finished this all work before plowing, but this year we were busy, so that's why we could not finish, we could not clean edge of the field. So that's why we are doing now. But even we could not finish, we could not clean all the edge of the field. Finally here you can see my father have started plowing the field, and my sister and my elder sister's sons removing unwanted plant, and which remain little bit. Finally, you can see we have cleaned all the field. We have removed all the unwanted plant and weeds from here in this field, and my father is plowing this field, and after that he will level up the field. Then we will start transplant the paddy seedling here. Hi guys, so here you can see they are transplanting the paddy seedling, and this side my father is leveling the field with the help of our bull. Now here I am taking care of our bulls, and you can see they are grazing grass, and after sometimes my father will come and he will go another field for work, because he have completed all work in this field, and you can see now my father is going different side and he will work that area. So here you can see one of my brother is spreading fertilizer in this field. After that they will transplant paddy seedling here. Before transplanting we spread fertilizer DAP, and this side they are transplanting paddy seedling and they will come in this field also. You can see the beauty of our field. I am very happy because I really like to come and farm and see this greenery, and here so much peace. But I think it will be rain soon. Now it's a drizzling, but after sometimes maybe it will start raining heavily. I'm enjoying the nature, and you can see everyone working. So guys, here you can see we are transplanting paddy seedling. I will go to transplant right now, but I thought I should make a video, so that's why I came here. So guys, here I'm in the field of Chhattisgarh transplanting paddy seedling with my friends. Our hands are in the mud, but our mouths always talking, laughing, sharing stories, forgetting the tiredness. Sometimes we forget the time, and sometimes we forget the tiredness. Work becomes fun, and every seedling carries a smile. We are not just transplanting crops, we are growing friendship, joy, and memories. And this is the beauty of working together. In Chhattisgarh, even hard work feels like a celebration. We enjoy every moment. So guys, finally you can see it's a lunch time and they are having their lunch. And to be honest, I really like to have lunch in the field and sitting together with everyone and like this. But today I will go another field now, because my father, my sister and my elder sister's sons are working in another field. I will go that area. Before that I will go home. Finally guys, now I am going home. You can see the beauty of my village. But there are a lot of muddy puddle, because it's been raining 5 days daily. That's why even I'm not able to walk properly. You can see the road. So guys, here you can see this is the beauty of my village and this is the pond of my village. And now I'm going home, and you can see I am really enjoying this place because this place is very beautiful. And here I have reached my village. You can see this muddy puddle starting of my village. When you enter my village, you have to go from this place, you have to face this place. So I hope you like today's video. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.